We understand that the COVID-19 pandemic may create unexpected business challenges for you, and we remain dedicated to your success. As new information is released regarding small business subsidies, we'll be available to assist you every step of the way. As a Dustless Blasting business owner, you can start tackling jobs like anti-fouling paint removal, automotive stripping, equipment restoration, parking stripe removal, and countless others with our revolutionary mobile blasting units. Consider the DB500 or DB800 Mobile XL, with plenty of power to handle just about any project, from residential to commercial to industrial. These trailers have all the cargo space you'll need for a full day's work. We offer a straightforward business model made even easier with proven marketing materials, advertising help, and ongoing training and support. If you're looking into starting a business for yourself, find out more about this unique opportunity at dustlessblasting.com and stay safe.